Metro Boomin want some more, nigga.
Wiggy, 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 wiggy. Hold up, wiggy, 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 wiggy.
The choice is yours. You can get with this, or you can get with that. You can get with this, or you can get with that. You can get with this, or you can get with that.
But I'm just saying, everybody else is.
Did I mistake you for a sign from?
And now I'm in this cold red light, and this stormy I feel like life. And I need you now, tonight. I fucking need you more than ever.
Let me know in the comments which one you're taking. Are you going 320 with irons and a TRL-1? We're going subcompact 365 with a hollow sun green dot and a TRL-7. On second thought, it's a 2011 day.
433. There is no so you can get it done first. The idea is just to get that nice young and that good repetition, focusing heavily on your.
Don't call me. Don't come by my house.
You're gonna try to do it the fast way, and I'm gonna do it another way.
All right. We've got one shot at this one. You know, 2 cans may have left the store, but only one made it home. So, here we go. So it might not be a hard Mountain Dew, but this will have to work.
See, I really been popping my shit on a whole nother level. You playing gets into the devil. These bitches been on me, I swear they keep calling my phone.
I just took a DNA test, turns out I'm 100%.
Feel nothing for Candy paint with the white on top. Lambo doors or the woo up drop. If you busy plotting on what I got, keep
Around. Every now and then I get a little bit terrified, and then I see the look in your eyes. Turn around, bite eyes. Every now and then I fall apart. And I need you now tonight. And I need you more than ever.
We're going to do my top 5 essential things if you are going to everyday carry a firearm. Number 1, a reliable firearm that you're willing to train with, get used to shooting, and if need be, use on that gun. Comes number 2, which is a solid set of sights, whether that be a red dot, which is kind of preferable, or a set of these night sights that are pretty well rounded. Number 3, some reliable ammunition. This is Hornady critical duty. I like to try to carry something that government agencies do just in case you have to use it. Number 4, a secondary mag, and particularly a way to hold it, whether that be in something like this or in a waistband holster, something like this. Which brings us on to number 5, which is a reliable holster. This is a Tier 1 concealed Axis Elite. You really can't get much better than this. Holds the firearm and a spare mag. Just the best setup. We jailbreak this Baofeng radio. Gonna hold the push to talk button, the monitor button, and the VFO button while we turn it on. This will set it to factory defaults and allow you to transmit on all of the frequencies.
Well, reason for the call today, John, is something just came across my desk, John. It is perhaps the best thing I've seen in the last 6 months. If you have 60 seconds, I'd like to share the idea with you. Got a minute?
I see you, you see me. Everybody knows I run these streets like a mic.
I'm with RJ, but I call him Wayne cause he's a shotter. Pick up the ladder, put it in the gun, make the nine stretch. Niggas with attitude, but we come straight out of High Bridge. I'm gonna make her panties wet.
like, hold on, let me check the scale. If she get time of day, then I had a good place, so I'm back at the spot. She getting beat like a press. These niggas be soft on the bitch, but turned up off a perk. Boy, I'm solid and stand on with us. See, I really been popping my shit on a whole nother level. You playing, get sent to the devil. These bitches been on me, I swear they keep calling my phone. I'm like, hold on, let me check the scale. If she get time of day, then I had a good place.
Dime, esto es lo que tú querías. Yo soy fino, esto es trap de galería.
Right now I gotta keep a ton of vision. They sending all my homies.
Why is my knife so dull? And it's in boxes, motherfucker. Alright guys, so a buddy of mine gave me a few of these laser beam rounds, and I, for the life of me, cannot get them to fire. I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong. You can tell they're laser beam rounds, obviously because of the neon yellow color they are. They're, the color laser they're supposed to shoot. I'll even load a few in here, pull the trigger, and nothing happens. I was super excited to be able to go out and shoot some lasers at nighttime. Maybe I'm doing something wrong, maybe I'm just a dummy.
Intergalactic planetary. Why is everything chrome?
Cash. Man, this beat got me feeling like the franchise boys in this beat.
Did I mistake you for a sign from God? I saw the light in a sunrise, sitting back in the 40 on the muddy riverside, getting baptized in holy water and shine with the dogs running.
Like, three or four times, maybe.
I gotta pump those numbers up. Those are rookie numbers in this racket.
Been working all week and I'm tired and I don't want to sleep and I want to have fun. It's time for a good time. Shot of tequila, beer on tap, sweet southern woman sit on my lap. T with an O, O with a D, T with an I and a M and a E and a good